Kenny dream claps and sings. Crunch and veggies can't be beat. Kitty's hungry, what a day. Let's find snacks in a healthy way. Fruits and veggies come along. Let's all sing the yummy song. Red, red apple, shiny and sweet. Crunchy and juicy, what a treat. Kitty bites and twirls around. Apples make a happy sound. Yellow banana, soft and bright. Peel it open, one big bite. Kitty giggles, sings hooray. Bananas give me energy to play. Crunch and munch, it's fun to eat. Fruits and veggies can't be beat. Dance and sing, jump up high. Healthy foods help Kitty fly. Orange, carrot, long and thin. Kitty takes a nibble, grin, grin, grin. Bunny hops and Kitty too. Carrots make you strong, it's true. Green, green broccoli, tiny trees, full of crunch and vitamins, please. Kitty dances side to side. Broccoli power, full of pride. Color, shapes and taste so bright. Eating healthy feels just right. Kitty claps and sings woohoo! Fruits and veggies good for you. Apple red and carrot bright. Banana